My name is Kenneth McCrae. I'm originally from the U.S. and this is my first time visiting India, and I was looking for a dentist to do some dental work, and I happened to come upon this dentist here in Hyderabad, India, and I got lots of information and everything. So when I got my mind made up to come, the staff and everything, when I once arrived, it was very nice, very pleasant and everything, and the whole procedure that I went through was very professional and everything, and I felt no kind of discomfort or any kind of way and this and that, and the staff was very friendly and generous, and I would recommend my friends and anybody that I know that wants to have some dental work done, I would recommend them as this place to come.